Hi there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and this is a follow-up to our original Nokia 1.4 giveaway. So we ran a giveaway here on the Tech Travel Geeks YouTube channel, and we're giving away a Nokia 1.4. We got in touch with the lucky winner. We actually posted them the parcel with the smartphone, as well as some extra goodies. And sadly, they decided not to accept and pay for the custom charges for the country they live in. So the item was returned to us, and we still have this Nokia 1.4 brand new in box to give away. So we're going to be running a quick 1-week giveaway where you can enter using the link in the description to this YouTube video to win the Nokia 1.4. As with the last time and all other competitions on Tech Travel Geeks, we will ship you the item at our expense, but you will have to cover the customs and import duties of your country if you're not in the UK. And obviously we're assuming that Scotland doesn't become independent in the meantime, and that if you win this item in England, you will have to pay duty there as well. It's a dangerous assumption, we know, but hopefully that all works out for non-division. Anyway, enough about that. Please do enter the competition in our Gleam link. You have options to enter via multiple social media channels, including Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube and Facebook. We will be in touch with the winner once the competition is closed, and we will organize shipping the item out to them. But check the terms and conditions, make sure that you're aware that you will have to cover the fees for duty and import in your country. But for now, I think we can wrap up this video. Good luck to everyone who's going to enter, and be aware that if this description has closed in brackets at the beginning and the end of the video description, it means that the video is closed and you can no longer enter. Anyway, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.